If you're experiencing high ping while playing Valorant, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it typically offers lower latency. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could interfere with your gaming connection. Step 3. Change server region. In Valorant, you can change your server region to one that is closer to your physical location. Go to the game settings, find the region settings, and select a server that offers lower ping. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This may include enabling quality of service QoS on your router, which prioritizes gaming traffic, or adjusting MTU settings to optimize packet size. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you've tried all the above steps and still experience high ping, it may be time to contact your internet service provider. They can help diagnose any issues with your connection or suggest upgrades for better performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing Valorant. Enjoy your gaming experience.